muscle car fans, and Chevy lovers, this is not a drill. The legendary Chevrolet Chevelle is making a grand return in 2026, and it's everything we hoped for: power, style, and modern tech. If you've been dreaming about a Chevelle comeback, then buckle up because this ride is about to get wild. Today, we're diving deep into the exterior, interior, engine options, and everything you need to know about this reborn icon. Let's get into it. Chevy has done something truly special here. The 2026 Chevelle isn't just a name revival. It honors its muscle car roots while embracing modern styling. You get that aggressive stance, sculpted body lines, and a wide, bold front grille that screams power. Check out these LED signature headlights inspired by the classic quad-light design but with a futuristic touch. And the hood has got functional air vents to cool that beast of an engine underneath. The rear keeps it classic too, with retro-style taillights and a quad exhaust setup. And for those who love options, Chevy offers the 2026 Chevelle in both coupe and convertible versions. Now that's a comeback done right. Step inside, and the 2026 Chevelle blends muscle car nostalgia with cutting-edge tech. The dashboard keeps that driver-focused, retro-inspired look, but Chevy has packed it with all the modern goodies. You get a 12-inch digital gauge cluster, a massive infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even an available HUD heads-up display. The seats, heated, ventilated, and wrapped in premium leather with Chevelle badging stitched into the headrests. And yes, there's even retro-style toggle switches for that old-school feel. This is muscle car luxury at its finest. Alright, here's what you came for. What's under the hood? Well, Chevy isn't holding back. You'll get 3 insane powertrains to choose from. A 3.6L twin-turbo V6 for those wanting power with efficiency, a 6.2L LT2 V8 with 500-plus horsepower, and for the real thrill seekers, a supercharged 6.2L LT4 V8 pushing over 650 HP. With a 10-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual transmission, the 2026 Chevelle is built to dominate both the streets and the track. And don't forget, there's a new performance mode selector with settings for track, sport, and drag strip, so you can unleash all that raw power whenever you want. The 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle is more than just a muscle car revival. It's a statement. It brings back the soul of the classic Chevelle with modern tech, monstrous power, and head-turning looks. But the question is, would you take this over a Dodge Challenger or a Ford Mustang? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love muscle cars as much as we do, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we've got plenty more horsepower coming your way. Until next time, keep the pedal to the metal